I'm Ray Lampe, Dr. Barbecue. Now it's time to make the Cranberry BBQ turkey thighs. We're gonna start by making the sauce. It's real simple barbecue sauce, a cranberry barbecue sauce, but you gotta get it started first. So we're gonna start out, I'm just gonna mix everything in my pot and then I'll warm it up. If you're in the kitchen, just start out with it warm on the stove. This is like 1 cup of ketchup. And 1 cup of whole cranberry sauce. The stuff right out of the can, but get the ones that's got a little bit of chunks of berries in there. It just tastes a little bit better and it's got a little more texture to it. And that's the basic of the sauce. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Got to sweeten everything up a little bit. The juice of 1/2 of a lime. So just 1/2. Squeezed right in there, just a little bit of acidity and lime flavor. And this is salt, pepper, and cayenne. I mixed them all together just for convenience sake. Put them in there. And now just mix this all together, get the sugar distributed. And all you really need to do is warm it up. If you're in the house, just put it on the range. I'm gonna put it on the grill just for a few minutes to bring it to a simmer so everything gets mixed together. The next step in the cranberry barbecue turkey thighs is the turkey thighs. I love this cut, the boneless, skinless turkey thigh. There's so much that you can do with it. It's gonna be a juicy cut. I'm just a dark meat fan. I love the taste the dark meat imparts and that richness. It's just a great cut. I happen to have Dizzy Pig Mad Max turkey seasoning, a specific barbecue seasoning for turkey. I'm using that, and it's great stuff. Now I'm putting a good coating on, because this doesn't have a whole lot of salt on it. Be careful, if you got something that's too salty, you can't put too much. But in general, I put more seasoning on than most folks. These are all seasoned up real good. No need to do this ahead of time. Just pat it on real good, make sure it sticks. And these are going right on the grill. But first I'm gonna check on that barbecue sauce. And it looks great. Nice and bubbly hot, all mixed together. Set aside. Turkey thighs go right on. I've got a hot direct grill. I'm gonna check them every 2-3 minutes and just keep flipping them till they reach an internal temp of at least 165. These are done, they look great. I'm gonna move them over here for a rest. These have had a nice rest. You always wanna rest stuff when it comes off the grill hot. Now there's a couple different ways I could serve these. You can serve them in sort of, serving size pieces like that. I think that looks nice. That sauce is always gonna make a mess on the plate. Or you could slice it. Just like nice thin slices. And this way everybody can grab just a slice or the piece they want, ready to serve.